I've Become the Villainous Emperor of a Novel is a Japanese light novel written by Akasatana. The story revolves around a young boy who is accidentally reincarnated into the world of a novel he had read previously. However, he finds himself in the role of the villainous emperor, Kain Von Silford, who was killed by the protagonist of the story. Kain Von Silford is depicted as a cruel and vicious character, and becoming him forces the young boy to face numerous challenges and terrifying dangers. He must use his intelligence and wit to survive and deal with his enemies, while also attempting to change Kain's fate and become a better person. The novel is also known as I Became the Villainous Emperor of a Novel or Akuyaku Reijou ni Nanka Narimasen. Watashi wa Futsuu, no Koushaku Reijou desu! The story has gained popularity among fans of the Isekai genre, which typically features a protagonist being transported to a parallel universe or world. Manhwatop 1 is a website dedicated to fans of anime, manga, manhwa, video games, and cosplay, where you may find all of your anime-related memes, recommendations, reviews, manga recommendations, character fanfiction, favorite quotations, and simply those ordinary anime things that you enjoy, particularly memes.